Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to compare two different measures like sales and profit on a single Power BI chart, but weren't sure how to show them together using columns and lines or add more than one measure to a legend, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have two powerful ways to create clear, insightful visuals, combo charts and multi-measure line charts with legends. Let's dive in and bring your data to life. We're starting off with a simple sales table as an example, just to keep things clear and focused. It tracks months, sales, and profit. Picture something like this January to May, with figures for both sales and profit each month. This is a pretty common scenario whenever you want to compare revenues versus outcomes, or just keep an eye on performance over time. Now, Power BI does a pretty good job at auto-summing numbers, but for clarity, especially as your reports grow, I recommend defining explicit measures. This makes your calculations reusable and your visuals easier to manage later on. Here, what to do: in the Data pane, right-click your Sales table and select New Measure. Create one called Total Sales and set it as Sum of the Sales field. Do the same to make a Total Profit, that's Sum of the Profit field. Don't worry if you're new to measures, they're simply preset formulas like reusable math shortcuts, and later if you ever want your charts to show, say, sales growth or profit ratio, you'll have the habit already down. Next, we'll build a classic combo chart. That's the one with columns and aligned together, perfect for visualizing and comparing things like total sales versus total profit side by side. Head to the report view and look for the line and clustered column chart visual. Just one click and you're ready. First, drag month onto the shared axis. This gives our timeline structure. Next, drop your total sales measure into the column values and total profit into the line values. With just these few steps, you should instantly see your months listed along the bottom, with sales as columns and profit traced above as a line. This combo layout is a favorite for dashboards, letting you spot patterns, for example, months where sales spike but profit lags. But what if you want both measures to show as lines, or you need to compare more than two measures all at once in one place? Here's a powerful trick: make those measures appear in the legend using a standard line chart. The key: unpivoting in Power Query. This term might sound technical, but it's just like spreading a deck of cards out so you can see every card in both suits, not just the whole hand. So with your sales table open in Power Query, hold down Control and select both the sales and profit columns. Right-click and choose Unpivot Columns. Now, instead of one wide row per month, you get two rows per month, one for each measure marked as attribute sales or profit in a single value column. This format is essential. It tells Power BI to treat measure names like categories. Hop back to your report and add a straight line chart this time. Place month on the x-axis, value on the y-axis, and the attribute field into the legend. Now your line chart instantly splits: one distinct line for sales, another for profit. This is flexible and elegant, especially if your dataset grows to include more measures. So to review, with Power BI you have two awesome paths. Option 1, the combo chart showing bars for sales with a single line for profit, perfect for clear, direct comparison. Option 2, the unpivoted line chart where both sales and profit show as different lines, letting you see their trends directly against each other and easily distinguish them using the legend. And there you go, two professional, versatile ways to visualize multiple measures in Power BI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment if you have any questions or tips to share, and don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI insights and hands-on guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.